Hey there, car enthusiasts and savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest to enhance your ride. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for every vehicle owner, the best CR window sun shades. Are you tired of that blazing sun ruining your drive and heating up your interior? Well, worry no more. We've researched, tested, and compiled an incredible list of the top sunshades that not only block harmful UV rays, but also elevate your car's style. So, buckle up as we reveal the ultimate sun shield secrets to keep you cool and comfy on every journey. Ready to find your perfect sun shade? Let's roll. Number 5. Ovage Car Window Shade. The perfect solution for enhancing your driving experience. These sleek black opaque sun shades not only offer maximum UV protection, blocking an impressive 99.99% of harmful rays, but they also ensure your child's comfort by keeping the car's interior significantly cooler. Designed with convenience in mind, the installation is a breeze with 15 ultra-strong magnets that set up in just 3 seconds. Ideal for a variety of vehicles, including buses, SUVs, and trucks. These shades provide essential privacy and transform your car into a personal sanctuary. Made with a silk-like material, the Ovage shades are a stylish addition to your backseat. With an Amazon customer rating of 4.3, it's clear that users appreciate the quality and functionality of this product. Don't miss out on this must-have accessory for your next road trip. Elevate your car's comfort and style with Ovage. Number 4. Baycarin Car Window Sun Shade Cover. The ultimate solution for keeping your little ones and pets protected from the harsh sun. This 2-pack breathable mesh sunshade offers fantastic UV protection, ensuring comfort for passengers in cars, SUVs, and most vehicles. With dimensions that stretch to fit 22.8-inch, 39.5 length, and 19.5, 20.9 height. It's designed to cover the rear windows effectively, while being easy to install and remove in seconds. This 2025 upgraded design not only keeps your kids safe from sunburn, but also allows you to roll down the windows without hassle. The high-quality spandex mesh creates a barrier against UV rays and pesky mosquitoes, allowing families to enjoy long journeys worry-free. Customers rave about its practicality and effectiveness, awarding it an impressive 4.0 out of 5 on Amazon, making it one of the best CAR window sunshades available. Don't let the sun spoil your adventures. Get the Baycarin Car Window Sunshade today. Number 3. Zatuto Car Side Window Sunshades. Privacy Magnetic Black 2 PCS covers blinds curtains are the ultimate solution for keeping your vehicle cool and private. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.4, these sunshades truly stand out. Designed with 16 small magnets in each shade, installation is a breeze, and they securely fit on metal window frames in just 5 seconds. The lightweight fabric and silk satin materials ensure that they're not see-through, giving you peace when reading or napping. Whether you're on a road trip or camping, say goodbye to sun exposure, interior aging, and unwanted attention, as these stylish shades offer both comfort and privacy for you and your little ones. Plus, Zatuto guarantees quality with a hassle-free refund policy for any issues. No returns necessary. If you're looking for the best CAR window sun shades, look no further than Zatuto. Ideal for minivans, trucks, SUVs, and more. These shades not only elevate your car's design, but enhance your driving experience. Number 2. Aquay Car Window Shade for Baby. The ultimate solution for sun protection and privacy while on the road. This 2-pack set features double-thickness auto windshield sunshades that provide comprehensive UV protection for your precious little ones and pets. With a size of 30.7-inch L x 19.7 W. These shades cover all 4 side windows simultaneously, creating a serene and private space whenever you need it. Whether you're camping, traveling, or breastfeeding, Installation is a breeze, taking only seconds with the suction magnetic closure. And the premium 160 GSM protective mesh ensures excellent air circulation while blocking over 98% of harmful UV rays. With an Amazon customer rating of 4.1, you can trust the quality and efficiency of this fantastic product. Say goodbye to sun glare and hello to comfort with Aquay, the best CR window sun shades. Enjoy peace of mind and a cooler cabin, ensuring safe journeys for your family. Number 1. Kinder Fluff Car Window Shades. The only certified car window sunshade proven to block a remarkable 99.95% of harmful UV rays, with a sleek design measuring 20 inches by 12 inches. These shades fit most small to medium car windows, providing essential sun protection during those sunny drives. This set includes 2 transparent and 2 semi-transparent shades along with a convenient storage pouch, catering to your needs effortlessly. Crafted from durable 120 GSM 15S film with a unique clamp design, these shades guarantee maximum durability for everyday use. Perfect as a baby shower gift or as essential car accessories for families. These shades are designed to keep everyone comfortable, from babies to pets, whether you're riding in a car, SUV, or bus. Join the satisfied parents with an Amazon customer rating of 4.2. And elevate your car's sun protection with the best window sun shades in the market. In conclusion, investing in the best car window sun shades can significantly enhance your driving experience by providing comfort and protection from harmful UV rays. Whether you prefer retractable, static, or custom-fit options, there's a perfect choice for every vehicle. Make sure to choose the one that suits your needs best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Safe travels.